Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm with the Central Arkansas Library System at the Brooker Branch. And today, I'm going to introduce you to my ice skating coach, Amanda. She is going to show us some fun tips to help us skate really well. So I'm going to take it over, Amanda.
All right. Well, first thing you're going to learn when you get on the ice is that you got to have your arms out for balance and your knees bent. And if you're feeling like you're going to fall, you got to learn how to fall, because everybody falls.
Yes, I promise I fall all the time.
So we're going to bend our knees and we're going to roll to the side like that. And then you're going to make a fist and get on all fours like a puppy dog. And then you're going to put your best foot up and push up. And then, if you want to get around the ice, you're going to have your arms out for balance, your knees bent, and you're just going to take little marches. And lift your feet up, straight up, turning your toes out slightly. Like that. Good.
Now this will definitely help us get around the rink.
Yes. If you start to get some speed, then you can just let yourself glide like a popsicle. Glide. And then to stop, you're going to sit in your chair and push straight out to the side. So you're going to march, glide, sit in your chair. Good.
Oh, that's so helpful.
Well, there's a lot of fun things you can do with skating, but first you just have to know the basics.
Yes.
So another thing that we learned is kind of like, it's kind of like if you were doing snow skiing. So you're going to shift your weight. You're going to shift your weight. There's different moves, and then there's swizzles.
Oh yeah, I love swizzles.
We're just going to push down and rise up. Push down and rise up.
Bending your knees helps when you're trying to do this.
And once you start feeling comfortable just skating around, then you can work on jumps and spins.
Oh,
and
yes.
it really becomes a lot of fun.
Yes.
You could do one fun signature move.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people, like when they look at either spiral or lunges, those are all kind of fun signature moves that any beginner could try. I like the lunge. So
Yes.
you're going to go down, like dipping down when you sit in the chair. Okay? And then you're going to slide your foot down. Like that.
Oh, lunges are so fun.
They are fun.
Yay. Oh yeah, those are fun. I have those in a lot of programs. Now, can you show me how to do a very easy 2-foot spin?
Yeah. 2-foot spins are so fun. And you can spin to the left, or you can spin to the right. And you're going to make an L, and you're going to try to bring the arm around real fast. You're going to get a good push. Bring that arm around. And that's that. Yeah. Some people are left-handed, some people are right-handed, and that's why it might be easier to go one way than the other. I like to go this way, but then there's some people that are left-handed and they like to use their left hand.
Thank you, Amanda, for showing us some fun tips and tricks that we can do to help us skate when we come during public session.
Yes, and in fact, we actually have Learn to Skate classes.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be starting back up on July, in the middle of July. July 17th is our first day back, and we are going to do Learn to Skate with kids 4 all the way up through adult.
Yeah.
Tuesday night at 6 and Saturday morning at 9.
Awesome.
So, but you can just look on the Arkansas Skatium website and find out more about Learn to Skate classes. The
Yes.
first class you try is actually free.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
So,
That certainly helps. Kind of let you know if
Yeah.
you really want to do it or not.
right, exactly. If you're a mom just wondering,
Oh,
should
yeah.
I do it or not?
Yes.
So,
Also, I want to encourage any adults who happen to be watching this, because let me tell you, we have a really big, really robust adult program here that I'm actually a part of. So definitely, if you've ever thought, oh, I can't do that, yes, you can. I believe in all of you.
Yeah.
every adult can skate. It's like anything else, you just learn. But all right, well, thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time.
all
Bye.
right, bye, thanks.